Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to change the install location in Google Play Games. So you'll need to note that there's no official way to do so. Even if you try to reinstall it, you will be forced to basically choose a specific location. So what we'll do is just some workarounds. First of all, you would like to go and open your File Explorer, go to this PC and click on Local C. Make sure to go to users, into your user, and make sure to go and look for app data. Once you do so, click on local and look for Google folder. And here you will find this play games. So here inside this play games, you'll find it full of stuff. So the first thing here is just make sure to delete everything right here. Of course, in the meanwhile, make sure to close Google Play Games. It's better to do so. And also, if it's still open in the background as example, make sure to close that as well. Make sure it's closed. So just go back to this. And again, let me just go here and open it once more and delete everything right here. So do you want to permanently delete? And yes. So now what we'll need to do is basically click on the path folder and make sure to copy this. You can save it as an example if you want to in a text file or wherever you want. Would like to open CMD, run as administrator. And here we'll have to do a simple thing. So from here to here, basically, we should type the following. First of all, just start by typing mklink space /d and quotation. Then, of course, you'll have to type the path. So once you do so, close the quotation again. And now you'll need to get a location of the new path that you would like to change the location to. As an example, if I'm using this, let's just say I want to put it somewhere, maybe here, or I don't know, maybe you want to put it here. I want to put it here, somewhere. Just choose and create an example folder called whatever you want. So as example, Google Play Games. Let me just go and type Google correctly. So just enter that and we'll need the path as well. Oh, I deleted that. Let me just go and copy the path. So now just go and space, do a space, again a quotation, space, whatever you wrote, and another quotation. Let me just make it bigger a little bit so you see. So all we need to do is just do mklink space /d and a quotation, then the location of the first folder, then close the quotation space, open the quotation, and then enter the location of the second folder that you want to change the location to. Hit the enter button. And of course, for me, they'll tell me that's cannot create a file when that file already exists because I already created the file. So for you, all you need to do, just don't create the file as I did here. So as an example, and you should be good to go. So let me just go and do this again. And so I did a mistake. I should have deleted this one. Let me just go back. So click on local, look for app data again. For Google here. So Google, and we'll need to delete this one. So just go back here and all you need to do, just type that again. And as you can see, this symbolic link was created. Now, if you download something, it will be downloaded into the new folder and not the old folder. As simple as that. And of course, we just created a link between the two folders. So instead of going to the first folder, so we'll go to the other folder. And that's as basically, so it's just some workarounds. It's not a real basically solution. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.